Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today is gonna be kind of a productive day. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done before we move in. So we move in about 4 days. Today is Tuesday and we move in Friday. And you guys, our house, like I've been saying, is in shambles. So today is gonna be like kind of like a little organizing video. I just want to show you guys how we move into our new place. Separating the clothes. I've just been folding all the clean clothes and I've been putting all the dirty clothes in piles so I can wash them all. And so I can try to make this transition into our new house as smooth as possible. Also, Elijah leaves on a trip. He goes to Greece. He goes and plays Olympiacos on our move-in day. So it's gonna be just me moving. So if I can make this as smooth as possible, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do all my laundry here, as well as Elijah needs clean clothes for his trip. So I'm doing it as well for him.
I got that feeling someone's watching me. Right before I caught you staring.
This is the pile of clothes that needs to be washed. And these are all the folded clothes that need to go back into the suitcases. 80% can't be dried. So that's what's probably gonna take the most time. The laundry has turned into. So everything on the furniture is clean. Everything on the floor is dirty. Everything in the suitcases are clean, packed up. Good morning. I am finishing up some laundry. So excited. I already dipped into the homemade hummus. It is so good. Hey you guys, I am back. I worked out, ate some lunch, and I got ready. This is what it's looking like. This is my makeup bag. It's from Estee Lauder. I seriously love this little pouch. I'm just gonna put that on the floor, but my hair was not cooperating. Look at the background. I'm just laughing at the background. It looks like a train wreck. But my hair wasn't cooperating today. This is kind of my look. I just kind of did like a simple, my go-to bronze look. I did a different lip liner today. I did the Elizabeth Arden, I want to say. That's the name, the brand. It's kind of more of like a fall color. I kind of like it. And I am so cold. I like don't want to change into my outfit because Elijah loves keeping the house super cold when he takes his naps. And like literally my nose is frozen. That's how cold it is.
You speak, or there's no words necessary. Do you just want my money? Do you buy your own drinks? I wanna get shit and sunny. Then come on, come on, come on. Do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me.
$10 he's gonna say something about these. Just in time.
Yeah, just in time to get me freaking gray hair. Oh, those are sweet chili.
I knew you were gonna say something about the shit.
I see the way you're looking at me. You got me going, now I'm taking that leap. Cause you give me faith or something.
We're 2 miles away and it's gonna take us 22 minutes. That's crazy. Gotta love Tel Aviv traffic, people.
Ooh, now you're bringing me to my knees. Cause you don't believe in nothing. Come on, come on, come on. Do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me. Do you want
Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday morning. I just barely dropped off Elijah at the bus stop because the bus is taking him to practice, and then from practice they're going straight to the airport. Actually, that is the bus that Elijah's on right now. So I just barely dropped him off. We actually just right next to the bus stop there's this really nice cafe restaurant. It's actually a bistro place, and they have amazing kale salads. So we got kale salads. It's so yummy. It has kale, sweet potato, goat cheese, hazelnuts, quinoa, lentils. It's so good. And it has cranberries, I think, in it. It's so good. With like a vinaigrette. Now I'm on my way to Ikea. I need to go and get some stuff to furnish our apartment and like get it all kind of set up. So on my way. It says it's about a 20-minute drive. I'm just gonna kind of plug it into my GPS real quick. Oh, also, I don't think I mentioned where Elijah's going. He's actually leaving to Greece to go and play in a EuroLeague game. So I'm super excited about that, but I'll catch you guys later. Just made it to Ikea. Finishing my salad. Also, when I was parking, I saw two guys like crouching down when I was like in my viewfinder, in my parking camera, because I was reversing parking. I saw two guys like crouching down like on the curb right where I was parking. I'm like, what the crap are they doing? they were like doing illegal stuff. They were just rolling.
It got me flying like birds and bees.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, November 1st, and today is move-in day. I am seriously so excited. It's 6:30 in the morning. About to take my shower, get the car all packed up, and ready to move. I meet the landlord at 8:30 at our new place, and it's all the way in the downtown, so it'll take me probably about like 45 minutes to get there from here. But I just want to show you guys the view one last time. Look how beautiful. Gonna miss this place for sure. But I'm running kind of late. I'm gonna pack everything up. I just barely got all of the bags packed. Got this stuff, kitchen stuff. Looks so empty. Now I'm just gonna go double check on every single outlet that we got everything. Goodbye to my old place.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive.
Goodbye to our old place. Something Elijah and I always do. Make a little mark on the house. Can't really tell.
And I raise my hands to the sky. What a feeling. 'Cause I feel like dancing high.
Hey guys, from our new apartment. Oh, I love living in the city. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I posted so many stories of me like going throughout the city, and like I literally live right behind this building right here. So right behind it is the mall, and it's like this huge mall, so that's a plus. I also got a little pizza from the pizza place downstairs. So good. Thin crust, light cheese, light sauce, so good. I got the margarita. I also got like a fresh smoothie. It had like goji berries, bananas, all that, but my battery is dying, so I'm gonna charge you guys while I kind of like finish eating and kind of get settled. I need to start cleaning. I'll take you guys along. Picked up a few goodies for the kitchen that I'm gonna share with you guys. I picked up this baking pan. Recipes that I'll be posting on here. That's like the major thing I'm so excited for, is to finally like be able to cook. Tupperware, which I'm gonna do a lot of meal prep, so Elijah can like take it to practice, easy quick. Gotta feed an athlete. These cute cups from Ikea. They're like one of the cheapest ones there. But I got a pink one and a blue one, and I'm gonna put toothbrushes in them. So this one will go in my bathroom, this one will go in Elijah's bathroom. And it was way cheaper than buying the toothbrush holders. So just a fun fact, these were like $1. And so, and the other thing was like $7. So $7 versus $1 is great. And I thought these were way cuter anyways. I also got these cute little like teas. Elijah and I want to start like doing more tea time. We love tea. Maybe we'll do like some Q&As while drinking tea. I don't know. That just might be it for the future. Comment down below if you guys think we should do that.
Time to feel it. This is where it all begins.
Oh, don't mind my bra in the background, but I'm watching Elijah's game on my computer because our TV isn't set up yet. But I ran downstairs. Don't mind the mess. We're moving in. I got some Benedict's, got some grapefruit juice. This is the avocado sandwich. Ooh, yum. That looks so yummy. Yum, yum, yum. This is not the best angle, but wanted to do a taste test with you guys. It's just like a plain, basic. That beet with the avocado is so good. Forgot to do a little taste test of the grapefruit juice. So good. Love grapefruit juice. Hey guys, so I am watching Elijah's game currently, but it's super late. It's like 11, almost 11:30. I'm gonna set up the bed while watching it and while filming so you guys can see. So I picked up a couple things. I just wanted to tell you that the sheets, I got back home in the US because I love bringing my own sheets. I feel like overseas doesn't have the same quality of sheets that I like. Elijah and I are super picky about our bedding. I went to Zara home and I got most of our stuff. I actually found really nice pillows, just like bed, not like decorative pillows, but like actual like sleeping pillows at Ikea that were pretty good. So we're gonna try them out. And they're goose feathers, so I was like super surprised. So I got this like kind of what is it called? Oh my gosh, I had a brain fart. A muslin. It's like a muslin kind of quilt, and it's striped, like gray stripes, and it's white. But then I found this super cute camel soft blanket, and I kind of had like this idea that it would be cute together. I'm gonna start putting the bed together.
This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins. Burning like a light show, free yourself and let go. Time to see it all. Don't think about tomorrow. Today we are heroes. Hear adventure call. There are whole new worlds to see.
So I'm starting to put some stuff away. I have all of our camera gear and like electronic stuff, so I'm gonna put it up here in the office area.
I keep running, and my feet keep...
Trying to get all this stuff done before Elijah comes home. He comes home, his flight is at 6 in the morning, and then he'll land at like 8.
Like I'm flying. Time to see.
Found some more electronic stuff. If you guys didn't know, Elijah is addicted to buying camera gear and like electronics, like gizmos and gadgets. He loves that. If you guys didn't know that, he's low-key kind of a geek. Not like, yeah, he's kind of a nerd. Not a geek, a nerd.
This is where it all begins.
A cute nerd, man. Oh my gosh, Elijah. Another. Hey. Okay, so you guys are right now in the closet section. In the second bedroom. So I put on pants for you guys so I can film this section so you guys can see how I organize. Because I kind of love these like little timely
This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment.
dishwasher just barely beeped, so the dishwasher is done. I'm gonna check the time real quick. See what time it is. Okay, it's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. Okay, let's see what the dishwasher did today. And ta-da! In these 2 bags are just some of our shoes. A lot of them are in the trunk for Elijah, and he also has some on his trip right now and also in his locker room, but there's just a few shoes in here that we're gonna unload, and I'm gonna put them all right here.
There are whole new worlds to see. I keep running, and my feet keep lifting me like I'm flying. Time to see it. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins.
Okay, so one of our favorite things to do while traveling is throw one of these little duffel bags. This one's from Nike. It seriously weighs nothing, and you can fold it up really, really small, and it takes up hardly any room. So I love bringing this on because if you go somewhere and you buy some stuff and your bag is over the limit and or you can't fit some stuff in it, it's so much cheaper and easier just to pull this bag out, pop it up, and you have another bag for free. And these are super cheap and super easy while traveling. So this is just like my tip. Like, I literally just popped this up and put all of our shoes in here so I could put other stuff in our rolling suitcases when moving. Like super easy stuff. So I love this Nike bag. Definitely a keeper. And also this Birdling bag is awesome. It's a little bit thicker. It's definitely more durable. So this is an awesome carry-on case. I love using this as a carry-on. It fits so much stuff in here. Okay, so now it's kind of like the living room area. I got all the bedrooms done, and now it's just time to clean up the whole living room. I'm so excited. So this whole bag is full of Elijah's recovery stuff, and I was so excited when they showed me that. Like, that's gonna be perfect for all of his recovery stuff. Hopefully it's deep enough that it'll fit everything, but I'm super excited because he likes to do it on the couch, and I always like nag on him when he doesn't put it away, so I think that's gonna be perfect.
This is where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment this good to hear. Best day of our lives. Yeah. A moment to
Hey guys, bear with me. It is 2 in the morning and I am looking quite rough. I'm just trying to hurry and get this place ready for when Elijah comes. I probably have said that a million times. I don't know why I'm explaining. But I wanted to show something. I wanted to show something to you guys. So I got this thing. It's like an acrylic little like dry erase board that you can put on your wall, and it's like has paper in it that looks like paper, so you can like plan like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, it's time to show you guys what's in this little bag. So I just wanted to share a fun fact about Elijah and I. We absolutely love candles. So my mom bought us this volcano, the Capri Blue volcano candle. She gave this as a favorite child. Just kidding, it was more like a set your house up, because she knows I love that candle. No, you have no idea. You know how airports are. Just imagine an airport in a foreign language.
What were they saying? Are you about to, do you have bum?
No, he was super nice.
What did he say?
He's like, where you from? Where you come from? Okay, go.
I got no sleep, so I'm trying to get back home to get some sleep. And Jen's over here driving like a pilgrim. Look, got 2 hands on the wheel. Going 5 miles an hour. Hopefully we'll get there tomorrow.
Girl, you make me wanna.
Why are your hands so freezing cold?
Because the air conditioning.
My friends and everyone that loves you.
Jen said the vlog wants to see my real personality, but you guys won't be watching the videos, so you're not seeing my real personality.
Yeah, like stop like being monotone, because you're not monotone. Oh, now he's doing the squinty eye.
What? Oh, okay. You think you're funny?
Well, you were saying my food is mash food.
Your food's was bland.
You're making fun of all the curry powder with the lentils.
The curry powder with
He's
the
telling me what he really thought about my food.
The peppers, and that was getting so old, but we were in the hotel, so
Exactly.
that's true. It doesn't do really well in parking garages, so let's see how it ends.
Don't say that. Okay, so you go down the hill, right? And then you're gonna turn right. Just imagine with the car full of stuff. And I can barely see him. Like, and the guy's walking, and I'm driving right behind them. And then you're gonna turn. Like, this is so tight. But slow and steady wins the race.
That's how I got you.
Together growing up. wanna say I do.
Oh, no way. What?
What?
You toted that.
Let's take it back. You gotta get different. Like, get my toes.
Yeah, that's not.
My toes are crunchy.
It's so cute though.
It's not soft at all.
I think it's soft. What are you?
What is this for
talking?
looks or for
It's soft. That's soft. You don't think it's soft enough?
sandpaper? I might rub my skin off. See how red it is? Okay, Jen, take it back.
I gotta tell you, make me wanna